Welcome back friends, this is Ram here and it's 46th tutorial on JavaFX 8. In this tutorial we are going to see how to create a file chooser and how to open a single or multiple files using a file chooser. So let's start. First of all I will change the title to 46 and on file chooser and increase the new scene height to 700. So we are going to create one file chooser. So private file chooser, say file chooser, fix the import for a file chooser. Now we are going to add this file chooser before the save button. So file chooser equals to new file chooser, and in this file chooser we are going to add some extension filters. So file chooser dot get extension filters dot add all extension filters. And in that I'm going to add new extension filter, and say first we are going to filter with by the text file. So text files, filter with the text files and include all dot text file, say dot txt and comma, fix the import for a extension filter. Similarly we are going to create a filter for image files. So new extension filter and extension filter for image files, and add the types of images like all dot png images, comma, all dot jpg images, then add all dot gif images, comma. Now next extension filter for audio files. So new extension filter for audio files and allow star dot wave file comma allow all dot mp3 files and allow all dot AAC files. So next, and one more filter, that is we can use new extension filter, that is we can allow all type of files. So in that allow dot all and done with the extension filters. Now next we are going to create one browse button so that we can open the selected files. So let's create one button. So using this browse button we are going to browse a file and we are going to open that file. So after the file chooser, browse equals to new button and say it is a browse. Now next we are going to set the font of the button. Next is we are going to call a set on action method for the browse, such that we can open the file using file chooser. So browse dot set on action, and I'm going to use a lambda expression. Now to select the file we are going to create a new object of type file. So in the we are going to use this file object locally, so we are declaring it in the so fix the import for file java import io file. Next in this we are going to open that file using file object. So file equals to file chooser dot show open dialog. So show open dialog will open the scene, and in that scene we can select any one file from the above extensions. That is, we can select only either text, image, audio, or any file. So in that we are going to pass a stage our So primary stage, so this primary stage is the our stage declared in the start. So we are going to pass that stage to the open dialog. Next is if, we are going to add one if statement to check whether file is available or not. If file is not null, we are going to open this file into a on Windows. So to open that file, I'm going to create one more object. So that is private desktop, say desktop equals to desktop dot get desktop. So it will call desktop, that is desktop path, and we are going to choose the file from the desktop. So to do that, I'm going to open the file now. So desktop dot open file, open file. And the error is because of the try, we have to surround this with the try catch block. So surround this with try catch block, and now we have written this for single file selection. We can use show open dialog for only single file selection. So this is for single file selection. Save this. Now I am going to add this browse button into our layout. So add this into fields, and I'm going to add this before a save button. So this is browse comma. So I have added the browse button before the save button in the fields. So using that we can choose the file. So run this. So we can observe that this is the browse button which we have added into our fields. So using this button we are going to open a file. So let's try. So when we click on browse, this will open a desktop, and we can select any file using this. So I'm going to open one file. So and here are the some extensions which we have added in the code. So this is the text extension for text file, image files, audio files, and all files. So this will shows the all files, image files, and audio files. There is no audio file in this, so we can choose any one. So I have choose text file, text document and open. So when we click on open, it will open the selected document in on desktop. So this is the single file selection using FileChooser. Now next is we are going to open multiple files using FileChooser. So come to our code, and in that we are going to open the multiple files. So this is multiple file selection. Now I'm going to create one list so that we can add the selected file into the list. So list, which is of type file. So this is the file list equals to, now I'm going to add the selected file into the list. So FileChooser dot show open and use multiple dialog such that it can select multiple files from the window. So and add a primary stage to the multiple dialog. Fix the import for the list. Add import java util dot list. Now after this we are going to call if statement. So if file list is not null, if it is not null, we are going to open the selected files. So file list dot string dot for each selected file. So we are going to create one object selected file, and we are going to display that selected file on desktop. So desktop dot open selected files. And semicolon here. To remove this, surround with try catch block. Now to open multiple files, disable this single file selection with the comment. Save this, and now we can select multiple files using this list. Now run this. Now to select the multiple files or open files, browse. Now I'm going to select a text document, an image, and a doc and one PDF. So these are the 4 different types of documents: one image, one PDF file, one text document, and one a Word document. So these are going to open in our desktop. So this is the text document this is the image, and this is the PDF, and the last one is this is the last document, Word document, Microsoft Word document. So this is the tutorial about the file chooser. Using that we can select one or multiple files from any location. And if you have any query about this tutorial or a question, ask me in a comment section, or you can mail me on my email ID, that is alapureram@gmail.com. And finally, if you really like my work, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.